to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use VPNs for remote business teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use VPNs for remote business teams, you need to first of all choose a reputable business VPN provider. So you need to go in Play Store or any app stores. Then you need to write VPN for business. So once you write VPN for business, it will provide you different kind of VPNs that are much more reliable for businesses. So you can take one VPN app and simply install it. Once you install that particular VPN, you can now get access to it once it is completely installed. So once you have chosen your VPN and you have simply got it installed in your device, you can simply now open it. After you have opened it, you can simply configure and connect to your VPN. In your VPN, you can simply go and tap open like trial or proceed with ads and stuff. And now to configure and connect your VPN, you need to simply tap on the connect button. Once you have connected your VPN, you're all set to use this VPN by connecting it to the clouds as well. So this is how you can simply use VPNs for remote business teams. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.